friends, welcome back to my channel Intraday Trade. My name is Robin and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Today market showed again a sharp fall and I hope people were able to catch it because I had mentioned an important level for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, which was around 42,400 for Bank Nifty and for Nifty it was 18,037. Both the levels was broken with strong candles and the sell-off continued, and I believe people made good money. So now what next? So yesterday I couldn't post a video and there was something which I wanted to discuss. In fact, I had texted yesterday that there's something which is important which I wanted to discuss, but I couldn't post a video. So today let me just cover that. So what was that is basically, if you remember, Friday we saw that Friday we saw that more than 1 lakh put long was there with FIS. Okay, so more than 1 lakh. So this is something which is a bit of a new scenario for me also. Like, I've been analyzing this participant data for the past 1 year or so, and it is working well. And, I'm also learning, and whatever learning that I have, I definitely share it with you all. So what I saw yesterday was, so on Monday, market opened gap up and remained a little bullish. So we knew that this put long is definitely in trouble. However, when yesterday I had checked the EOD data, that EOD data showed that these put longs was not exited completely. Okay. So that was a little bit of concern because 1 lakh quantity is huge, and definitely if they have to adjust it, it is also a little difficult because you will have to create a spread and too much of capital requirement happens. And I have never seen FIs holding more than 1 lakh shorts, especially at such a time when the price action is like a formation of lower high. So the important thing was around 50K plus put longs were still remaining in the positions. So what they did is, for half of it they created spreads, and the half of it they definitely left it for the expiry. That means they had a plan that they expected that the market may go down, and today they conveniently took the market to the place where they had short added put long, and definitely market went beyond that and they would have made money. So this is what I wanted to discuss. Okay, so this is something I did not see it before, and this was the first time, and that's the reason I had said that below so and so level Bank Nifty and Nifty can be bearish. So now let's understand what is the position that they have taken today and what can we expect tomorrow. So again, the positions are not that great. FIs have added 171 long futures, not a big number, but this is a point of concern. At such a low level, they have added about 26,500 index shorts. Okay, so strongly bearish. And I was checking the open interest of the futures. Looks like these shorts have been added more on Nifty than in Bank Nifty. And if you look at the options, they have call shorts and put longs. Similarly, pros also have call shorts and put longs. Both of them on the same direction, and both of them are bearish. So there are strong resistances ahead. Okay, so tomorrow obviously we'll plan bearish trades, and secondly The only thing is the market shouldn't open gap down. A slight gap up or a flat opening, this can push the market still below. Okay, so this is what the take is from this data. Now we'll go and see in the chart what exactly should we be planning. So if you look at the Nifty and Bank Nifty chart, what happened here is after this particular fall, we saw a small pullback. That was yesterday's candle, and we are continuing again on the downside. Okay, so we have already broken this low and given a close below it. So tomorrow, once we slide this low, and if we continue to slide down, this is the last hope, which is around 41,500, and then after this, then we could expect some huge fall to continue. So now let's go back to our intraday time frame and understand how should we be trading this tomorrow. So this is the 5-minute chart. So see how the support and resistance level works. It works beautifully. Each and every level has been respected really well, and we see a double bottom kind of a formation here. So tomorrow, if Bank Nifty say opens within this range, okay, so this is the range. So this comes to around, let us put a line here so that tomorrow in the morning we don't forget. Okay, this is around 42,150. Okay, so around 42,150 we have a resistance. So if the market opens within this place, okay, we can go for a put buy here, and our first target should be around 41,900. Okay, and tomorrow if we break this level further, then we could see a huge fall that can come up to 41,650. Okay, so this should be the two targets on the downside. And if we open flat and we give a dip, we'll wait here because this is like a consolidation place and this can confuse us. So all that we'll do is we'll wait for the candles to close below 41,932, and as soon as that happens, at a slight pullback we can go for a put buy. It will definitely break this level and go to 41,650. And what about buying? Buying looks very difficult for me until and unless we trade above 42,150 and we consolidate and we give a breakout of 42,244, then we can expect a movement until 42,430. So here maybe you can plan a call for this target. But since the data and everything is bearish, I believe it is good to stay away from calls. I think the best thing to take call would be if market opens with a huge gap down. So we have closed around 42,000. If we say open around 41,800, something like that, then we'll look for a reversal around 41,650, 700, and then we can trade a bullish trade at least to fill this particular gap. So this is my view on Bank Nifty. Let's quickly check Nifty. So Nifty also filled the gap which it made on Friday. So Nifty's resistance at the moment is 17,965. So any open around this place should be taken as a put opportunity, and the target for Nifty would be around 17,880. And then if it breaks down further, then we can expect a fall until 17,770. This is the level for downside. If we open gap down around 17,800, then there is a possibility we may recover. So we'll take a reversal trade here, provided we see a good follow through candle at this level, and at the retracement you can go and buy. Yeah, this is like expecting that they'll book some profits in the options, especially the long put options. Where Nifty will become bullish, Nifty will become bullish only above 18037, and that looks difficult at the moment. So we'll avoid call trade in this range. Okay, only when we open gap down is we'll plan a call trade. Other than that, we should only look for put, at least for tomorrow. So this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I hope things are clear. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.